Any other, sir? Offline, anyone? Bolo. Huh? Rabel. Rebel. RA. Travel, travel. Travel. P for Bangalore. P for Peacock. P. Yeah, P for Peacock. Also same thing only na. Peacock and Prasad, same thing only na. Now, dot netlify dot app. Okay. All India travel with me. Travel. It's the only thing you buy that makes you richer. It's really a good thought, Ray. The way you maintain it, nice. Even though it's a simple site, it actually have good potential. Taj Mahal, Varanasi, Shimla, Ladakh. And they explained you something nice. And the beauty thing is, they highlighted some things using an hyperlink, different cultures, and they highlighted something like the destination. Nice. Taj Mahal, they explained it and they bolded something so that if I see this project, I can understand it like he understands something images, he understands something like, underlines, formatting tags, and lists. Lists are there, headings are there, paragraphs are there. Okay. Now videos are there, which is YouTube iframe ones, and the Google Maps are there. Nice, good. Shimla, Ladakh, and tables are there, forms are there, and one nice, noti file. This is really nice, Ray. Thank you. It's so good. Varanasi. Good. How many you have visited, sir, here? How many of this you have visited? Oh, I visited only one. Good. We'll see. Future. Now, nice one. Next. Have any? Very good. At least today it's nice. Any other? Online, someone, me, I traveled the whole country. Why? What happened to you? Why do you travel whole country there? No home? Now, full name, date of birth, email, phone number. It is having male or female, address, registered. Nice, neat exam registration. Good thought. Shivani task 7 dot natlify dot app Sri Gnan Saraswati Temple Basara. Oh, someone created for temples, right? And they also put it like something enjoy by listening to the music. Nice, it's playing. And they put a table, Interesting point is inside the table they put images. And it takes time, Ray, for this actually, so much time. They gave it here, something like book here for special puja and darshan. And the table is looking so structured. Okay, left side, they put it a timetable, table for the pujas and the timings and all. And they put something map. Believe me, whatever the thoughts you have done after learning the CSS, if you implement them, this can be real sites. A nice thought, actually. Good. Very good, Shivani. Next, Raghunath. Student registration form. Now, guys, I told you in radio buttons and the check boxes, first you will write label and then you will write, first you will write input, then label. In remaining all, you will write label first. For example, name, label first and then input. But in radio button, first button and then label. Right or not? See here, this guy wrote it like male, female, other. Now, what if someone here comes and they click on it, other, okay, and they will select this, but it is actually for female. And someone clicking on it for female, they actually select it for male. Okay, this literally creates a confusion. Try to put it left side. And phone number, he already populated with 91, but he made it as fixed. You can't change. Oh, that one you can't change, but this one you can give. Nice. Address, read password, register, reset. Nice. These things are good. Next one, offline. Anyone more? What happened, Ray? Sir, where we can do all these projects, designing Netlify app, creating tables, forms, please let me know the site. I have joined yesterday only. We are doing it in Netlify. We are doing it in VS Code. Where are we doing all of this, sir? VS Code. Where are we uploading all of this, sir? Netlify. You know the answers, but you guys did not upload only. Why? It's like knowing the answer, not writing the exam. What about other boys, last ones? Acha, sometimes last people will do, sometimes first people will do. But middle people will never do. Why? If we have to make a movie on the class people, I will write it middle bencher, not back bencher. Because middle bencher is not a poor student or a dull, topper. He's like medium. And those guys are not at all getting attention. Sometimes sir will see last one, sometimes sir will see first one. I will ask all the middle people tomorrow, especially middle. Whoever sit in mid, I will ask them each one stand up and give me the thing. Is it clear, ma? It have two disadvantages. First one, you should come first to the class so that you can sit first or last. I know that. Okay. But what if your luck is bad? Already people were booked it. Then you have to show the project. Okay. Now, same thing goes with girls. Especially first line and the last line, I will ask all remaining lines tomorrow, one by one. Forget about the class. I will ask it like I will not even start the CSS. I will start from Monday if I want. I will start each one and I will ask what are the projects you have done. Is it clear, sir? Is it clear, everyone? Good. Let's go here. Let's go here. Visual Studio Code. Now go here. File. Open folder. HTML. Acha, online people can escape now always. The problem is online people, I cannot do anything. But if you are, it is your responsibility to do. Right or not? So online people be responsible. Only few people are doing it nice. Remaining people also be responsible, ma. Now, okay. I showed media. Today I will show you maybe while discussing, see, whatever the concepts we discussed, all we discussed the tags based on concepts. On concepts. But while we discuss these concepts, there may be a chance we may skip one or two. Okay, we may missed. Everyone forgets. Even I may forgot some things. So today we will discuss one more concept which is HTML5. After discussing HTML5, I will see everything I have missed and I will explain them. If you have doubt about any tag also, I will explain them. Once we are sure of all the things, I will give you the complete notes till the HTML and then we will start the CSS. Is it clear, ma? Anyone have any doubts in the HTML till now, sir? No. Let's start, sir. Go here, HTML, go here, notes. Let's start here. The topics which we covered. For the people who don't know, I'm just giving it what are the topics we covered. First, we started demo classes, sir. In the demo classes, I explained everyone web introduction, I explained everyone web introduction. It's like what is web, what is internet, okay, how do you start it, what will happen when you click on google.com, right? Those all things we discussed starting, sir. Next, after that, we discussed something called design, which is UI UX. In UI UX, we discussed something called Figma. The people who missed it, there will be links of the demo classes. You can watch it and learn. If you try it on your own, also, it's not a big deal. Okay. And we also tried something called problem solving. We also understand something called problem solving or critical thinking. Mostly the problem with juniors are freshers always think it like interpersonal skills are easy. Like if someone said it like, are you a problem solver? People immediately say it like, yes, it's so easy. I'm a problem solver. But 90% of the times, instead of solving the problems, we create the problems. Okay. So I want you to think of the problem statement clearly so that you can able to find solution. In future, people will give jobs to the people who solve the problem. Right or not? Sir, I can do HTML code. Chod though, even the AI can do HTML code. But the difference is AI cannot able to solve the problem. You can because you know the reality. Is it clear, ma? Are you all understanding my point, sir? Sir, you are in one community, sir, or you are in one local environment, sir. In your environment, some kind of like some people are not getting enough education, or some people are not getting enough jobs, or some people are facing a transport problem. People are facing it some water problem. Some people are facing it some another problem. If you ask it Google or if you ask ChatGPT, it will say it like go and complain to stations, go and fight it. But if you ask it a normal human being, they will think and bring a better solution, a better app, better digital solutions. Is it clear? That AI cannot do. That creativity has to come from you. Now, after that, I explained you how to go with the VS Code or how to start with the developer tools, how to create a GitHub account, how to create a Netlify thing. This is all we discussed. Then we started something called HTML. In the HTML, sir, we discussed first HTML intro. Then we discussed, sir, HTML headings. Total 6 headings will be there. H1 to H6. And then H1 is bigger and H6 is smaller. We discuss something paragraph. Then we discuss something called anchor tag, headings, paragraphs, anchor tags, huh? Images. Then we discussed formatting tags. Then we discussed block, inline, semantic elements, semantic elements. Then we discussed like what more we discussed after this list. tables, forms, form validations. Yesterday we discussed media. These are the things we discussed till now, sir. Does anyone have any doubts, ma, till now? You can ask me if you have any doubts also. Today I will show you some kind of advanced one. Is there any doubts till now, sir? No. Media. Someone is saying it like they are getting media doubt. Okay. Now, now, what are non-semantic tags? Every tag which is not a semantic one is non-semantic one only. Like div, span. Okay, those things. Now, go here. Let's write. Go here. Media. Go here. Go live. Nav tag not explain. Nav tag is media only, sir. If you go to nav bar, nav tag is media one only. You can put sorry, not media. Nav tag is something semantic element only, sir. Nav tag is semantic element. You have it something like header, footer. Similarly, nav, which is used for navigations. Go here. Now see this. How did you put this thing, sir? Go here. First, to put an audio, you go here, go to see HTML. Now here, if you want to put something like audio, you will write it here audio. Inside the audio tag, you will have something called source file. And inside the source tag, you will have something called SRC. And inside the SRC, you will give some kind of this. Okay. Now, whatever the link is there. Same way, if you want to give, you can give it something called video. What you can give? Video. For video also, you can give something called controls and you can give height and you can give how much height you want or how much width you want. What if I wanted like for different screens, different images? In desktop, I want one image. In mobiles, I want another image. In some kind of Chota devices, I want another image. Now, we can put it each one separate image. And how do you do that? You will do it by picture tag. What tag you will use, ma? What tag we will use it, sir? Picture tag. Last people. Okay, be responsive, sir. Now, front ends are good. Now, next, in picture tag, what you will do? Go here, picture. Inside that, you will write source. Here, source media, source media, source media, and then IMG. Why did you give IMG instead of source? IMG is a general element when none of the cases above matched, it will go. Similarly, like a default case in your switch statement. When none of the above statements are matched, it will come to the IMG. It's a default image. Now, above matches are like minimum width has to be 1200. If you open in a device where the device width is greater than 1200 or equals to 1200, automatically you will get it Mickey Mouse to print. Or what if you go to another one where you are printing it something like minimum 760, then it will print it from 760 till 1200 because after 12, then next 480 I define and then next I just did it like something in IMG. This one will change based on the device width. That is called picture tag. Next, iframe. Iframe is very simple, sir. If you want to do it in a iframe, put it here iframe, give width and height, give the link, automatically iframe will run. Now to get this link, sir, you can go to YouTube and you can click on share and it will automatically come. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts, sir? No. Clear? Now. Now. Let's start. Let's create a simple project. Now. Now. Let's go here. Now, what is allow and reference point in the iframe code? Once explain. Now, those are related to something JavaScript. Don't worry about it. When we come to the JavaScript, I will explain you what is iframe again, and you will get it. Okay. Basically, those are security reasons. They will be there. Now, they will be there for a security reasons, ma. Now, let's go here. Miscellaneous. Final dot txt. Now go here. Miscellaneous. Now let's create a file, sir. Inside this, how to keep moving footage like slide share. That you will use JavaScript or CSS, ma. Only with HTML you can't do any scripting. Now index.html. Now let's see any other extra tags. Okay. We will also check the official documentation to find it, sir. Is it clear, ma? Now, now, sample code, exclamation, enter. Now, let's go here. Let's start a basic application, sir. Exclamation, enter. What is the official documentation for web development, sir? MDN docs. What is that? MDN docs. Type it here, MDN docs. Then it will open documentation, sir. Now you can able to type it whatever you like it if you wanna try it. Now, first one in HTML, the things which I remembered, I will try it. I will say all leftover all leftover tags. Most important ones I'm going with all the leftover tags. Now the first leftover task is now figure tag. I forgot figure tag. Uh, what more I can put? Huh? Favicon. Then next figure favicon can do HTML5 features, which are like map, which are like something kind of, the extra ones. Now, any concepts we will do font awesome, font awesome. Text area we have discussed it, sir, already. Anything missed? Anything, sir? No. If anyone think it like anything is missed, you can ask me so that I will try to repeat it. Now, first one, figure tag. Let's go to practically and let's open any one of the site which will have figure. Like for example, I will try it here. Um, Wikipedia. Wikipedia. Now inside the Wikipedia, let's type it here. Something named Shahrukh. Okay, this is not the Shahrukh Khan I thought. Now go here, go here. Now see this, sir. Now you are having it. Can you see right side? One image is there. Can you all see right side image, ma? And below the right side image, below the right side image, can you see here some small name is there? It's like caption. You all will write it. You all will post your pics. When you are posting the pics, you will write caption, na? Right or not? Now, how do you print them? With the caption. Okay. If you use normal one, so much padding will come, sir. Instead, go here. Go here. I will just put it here side by side. Go here, go here, go here. Arre? Now, okay, I got it, sir. Let's go here. Let's go right click. Let's go down. Let's open with live server. And now I open the file. Anything is there, my inside the body? Now, first tag, figure tag. Figure. Inside the figure, let's write it here. My name is Prasad. Prasad. Now, you are having it something figure. Now here you can also give something called fig caption. Fig caption. And here, yes, it's true. Now, can you see here one kind of thing came? My name is Basad and it's true. Now, here instead of this logic, I will try it here some img. Inside the figure, I will put here img. img. Now, inside the img, I will put some kind of site. Now, go here. Go here. Images. Right. Open a new tab. Downloaded JPG. Open it in folder. Post it here. Control C. Then next. Go here. Down. Image SRC came. हो गया. Now, someone is asking about legend tag. We will discuss legend also. Form field and legend we will discuss. Okay. Now, I got this one, sir. Dot slash. Dot slash. Okay. Right click. Rename. Pixels. Dot jpg. Go here. Dot slash pixels. Then here pixels. Now if you go here, why it is not, oh, column I forgot. That's what I'm thinking. Why it is not showing the path? Huh? Oh, okay, 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 okay. Huh? Pixels.jpg. Why it is taking it that JPG also? I can take it directly. Now, anyway, go here, height 200. Now, if you give it something like this, what will happen is, can you see by default it is coming it something image and down only you are getting it some detail, right or not? So they both are combined as one, and this is called picture tag. What it is used for? Picture tag. Now, why do the people uses picture tag only for that? If you go for Wikipedia or something kind of one, right click this image, inspect. Now go to the top. Now here, if I go here, if I take it this, now I just want to inspect this, sir. Where is this ray? Go here, inspect. Click on this. Now they just did it with normal photos, but in reality, sir, people will use something called figure. What we will do? Figure. And figure we will give one option called fig caption. Now next. What about legend, sir? Legend. Now for legend one, you can take one simple form. For legend one, you can give a simple one, which is like field set. What is it called? What is the use of field set, sir? Very simple. Input type equals to text, placeholder, enter name. Now input type equals to number, placeholder, enter age, then button, click me. Last ones, can you able to see ma? Is it visible only? Now if I go here, you can see. Did you see your form is having a border, sir? Did you see your form is having a border, ma? BR, 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 BR. Now go here, Deco one more time. Does your form is having a border, na? How did you get that border, sir? What is that? If you go here, field set. Field set will make your whatever the form is there, the form you are having it certain border. This is like the fence. Do you guys know fence? Fence ray, like on your land you will do put one fence na. Around your home also one you will do one fence na. Usually, people in villages will know this. People in villages will know. Uh, we will have fences in the villages, and they will put only one particular point in chota space. They will cut the fence so that the people can go inside and come out. Right or not? That small gate to enter into the fence is called legend in English. What is it called? Legend. Same thing applies here also. Now, if I write it here, field set legend login form, then it will create a small gate into that. Can you see here? It created a small gap, and this is called legend. What it is called? Legend. Now, someone is saying it like, how are you getting the images, left side? Here I am getting it now. Usually you will also get it, sir, if the image is correct. Okay, but some VS codes will not get it. For that, you will have extension. You have to go to separate extensions for that. In mine, it is automatic. Okay, now next. Anything more you wanna do? Something depreciated, I will tell. Like there is something called block list, block quote. Did we ever tried block quote, ma? No. You can give something like block quote, sir. Block quote is defined for something quotations. Usually, you wanna write it like something. I wanna write it like this. Something so big. Hello, and by Prasad. See, I wanted something like this. Now, if you wanna do it, then you will put this large quotation, na? For that large quotations only, you will use something called block quote. Now, let me write it here. Block quote in um, what we can say. Good night. Who said that good night? Whoever said that good night will become sight. What it will be? Sight. Gandhi. Now, he must have said to someone, na? Now go down. Now, can you see it here, sir? Can you see it here? By default, if you see, sir, where is that quotation, sir? Quotations you will give it in CSS, sir. Actually, in CSS, we will use the block quote and you will use it in CSS. When I come to CSS, I will tell you. But normally, for the big kind of quotation ones, we will use something called block quote. And if you see, sites are automatically in italic format because it's a reference whom you are referring it to someone. Okay. Now, these are the things. Next, HTML5 features. HTML brings so many features, sir. HTML brings so many features, Ray. Like in HTML, you have something called SVG. First one, SVG. Does anyone know what is SVG? Anyone here know what is SVG? Ever heard of SVG, sir? No. Do you all know images types, ma? Okay. Everyone, can you hear me? Wake up. People are also. Can you hear me? Yes, sir. Wake up. Now, especially boys, do this trick. If anyone beside you sleeping, just pinch them hard. Anyone try it? Now, don't do it. I'm just kidding. Now, let's go here. There are different images formats, ma. Dekho, JPG is there, PNG is there, okay, JPEG is there, WBP is there, but but there is one format which is called SVG format, scalable vector graphics. Scalable vector graphics. That means inside the images anything can be overwritten. Like for example, in Figma we will do SVG images only. In Figma, if you take one SVG image, like that means if you take one image, that image head color you can change, body color you can change, eye color you can change, hand color you can change, everything you can change, na? That is called SVG images. SVG images bole to it's not one image, it's like part of all the images, they can make it as one image. So that anything can be customizable. Okay. Now let's go here. Now someone said it block word is used for bold. No, block word is used for quotations. What we will use it for? Quotations. There are two ways. How do you give quotations? You can use Q tag, na? But Q, is it inline or block, sir? Q? Is Q is inline or block? inline. Q is a formatting tag. All formatting tags are inline. That's why they are saying it block quote. The name is, it is used for quotations, but it is a block element. Okay. Now you can remember it now. Next, caption. In the pic, we are not having caption tag. We are having caption. In figure, we will use caption, which will be used for figure, whatever the images you give for that images caption. Now, for the block quote, we will have something called cite. Next, okay, in HTML, we have so many features. We will discuss most of the features actually in JavaScript, but still, one of the important feature is SVG. You can write it here, SVG, SVG, and in SVG image, you can give something called path, and inside the path, you can give some kind of image. Okay, now you can give some kind of image link will be there, not the normal image link, a path link you can give. Okay, based on the path link you give, the image will be created, sir. Okay, now, or go here, let me show it to you. Now let me show it to you. For example, go here, SVG path. Now go here, SVG enough, scalable vector graphics. Now go here, down. Now let's take it. There are so many SVGs. Let's go with one SVG called circle. Circle. Circle will give a circle, sir. Like for example, I will give circle uh, radius, which is like R, I think. Radius will be 10. Now let's me put it side by side. Where is this? Let's go here, close 1, 2, 3. Now let's go here, circle. Now SVG circle, let's try it. CXCY. Then go here. Go here. Now let's go here. Circle tag. Why the circle is not coming? Fill black. Or something like SVG. Inside the SVG, let's put this circle. Now it may come. Can you see here one circle, sir? Can you see one circle, ma? SVG will give you a facility to draw whatever you wanted in the canvas or whatever you wanted to draw in the screen. You can give it for here. CX is like center x-axis, center y-axis, and R is for radius. Are you getting my point, ma? And the same thing you can try it for rectangles. There will be something called rect, which is rectangle one. Okay. What if I wanted different paths? Then you will directly use SVG only with different paths, sir. This is kind of experimental one only, but learning it SVG with the path is actually so interesting kind of one. In JavaScript, we will do different SVGs. Now, if you go here, SVG HTML generator, If you go SVG generators, go here, take it any SVGs. Now go here. If you take it here, home. Now go here. Take this. Now see, how did they created this? They writed one SVG width and height they gave, and they created one rectangle, sir. Inside the rectangle, they just give it here width, they gave it here height, they gave it here x-axis, they gave it here y-axis, and they gave it here fill. Is it clear, ma? SVG is to draw the image. SVG not to draw, actually, to shape up the images, to shape up the fields, to shape up the lines. That is how you will use. You can use line, you can use circle, you can use rectangle, those kind of things. You can use something called poly, which is a polygon. Okay, but but interesting point is interesting point is there is another HTML5 feature which is called canvas. Canvas. Canvas is used for some kind of drawing elements. Like for example, you will use some kind of whiteboard. Why to have this all? See, I am having it something whiteboard. Did you ever felt it whiteboards, ma? Online whiteboards will be there. You can go to online whiteboard and you can write it whatever you like it. Now I wanna create it here. I wanna create it here. Let's go. Let's go here. Online draw. You can actually do so many sites. Now you can actually draw whatever you like it. Now imagine I want to create a site like this. I want to create a site like this which I can draw it. Is it clear, ma? Now if you want to create a site like this, then you need to do something called canvas. What we can do? Canvas. But the problem is canvas one only in HTML you will write the canvas. This whole thing actually will be done in JavaScript. In JavaScript, you will write it like how the cursor is moving. It will able to identify whenever the cursor moving, whatever the fill you wanted, that fill you will release it in the JavaScript. Just I am just showing you this thing is available in the HTML. When we discuss JavaScript, I will use this feature. We will create a chota whiteboard animation in our project. That is one of the mini project. Okay. We will do chota whiteboard, not this much bigger one, but at least drawing you can do that. Okay. Now, next one. You will have another feature which is called drag and drop. Drag and drop. Like if you write it a div, any div, now inside the div, you write it something hello. Now if you go here, you can say something called draggable. Can you see this? Draggable true. Can you see this, ma? Draggable true. If you write it something draggable true, sir, that element you can drag wherever you wanted. You can go here. You can see this. You can go here. This element, this hello, I can drag it actually inside the JavaScript. What is div? Why it is used? What is the use of div, sir? Div is used as a general block element. What is used as? General block element. When you are having it so many elements, you want to combine them. Block elements. Okay. Now when you are combining, if you want to use it as a combined block, you will use div. If you want to use it as a combined inline, you will use span. You will use span. These are general elements having only one purpose: block containers. They are combining blocks. Okay. Now, next one. You have something called drag and drop. I will show you. Code pen, drag and drop, draggable. Now go here. Now let's see. Now, can you see here? Can you see this? This is also one div only, na? Everyone see. This is also one div only, na? Right or not? But this div is can be draggable, right? This is one of the HTML5 features. That means any element you draw, like you draw one image, you put it in HTML one image. That image you can able to literally drag anywhere you want it. Okay, you can make that kind of collapsive things also. That can be done using something called draggable. Okay, but how do you do that, sir? HTML is so simple. In HTML you will write just draggable only, but everything you will draw it actually in JavaScript. Okay, we will do this thing also in the JavaScript, sir. Okay, now HTML5 also have semantic elements. We already discussed the semantic elements, sir. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear, everyone? If you go to MDN docs, if you go to MDN docs, if you go here HTML, you can able to see so many elements here. The most widely used elements we discussed. Okay, some elements they deleted also. You can say that frames are not using it anymore. They deleted it. Frame sets they deleted it. Okay. Now whatever the things which are available, those things we discussed, ma. And if any other thing you are having doubt also, you can ask me. That thing I will repeat it. Is it clear, sir? Any doubts? No. Let's create one final project of HTML. Okay. And in this final project, Canvas is also you will create in HTML, but you will write the project in JavaScript only. If you want to see how the Canvas projects will be, I will show you. Like for drawing, go here. See this. Now they are making it so much bigger one, na? But actually here, where is this one? See, can you see here one thing Canvas game? Can you see right side HTML something called Canvas ID game? Right? This is the main canvas, ma. See this. Your whole game is actually inside this only. If I remove this, now basically it just remove everything. So the game, all the game, they are using inside this chota thing called canvas. Now, but did they write anything, sir, in between? Did they write anything, sir, between? They just give height, they just give width, they just say ID. Simple. But this ID, they will use it in JavaScript. I told you, ID is used to identify uniquely. Now, JavaScript will say, I want ID name game. Then HTML will say, I have ID name game. Then JavaScript will take that canvas and will try to fill this all game. Is it clear, ma? Canvas is like an empty canvas. Like if anyone do painting, like the blank page is called canvas. Anything you can fill it up. Is it clear? Yeah. Now, now let's go here. Sir, why semantic elements is used in SEO? Semantic elements are used in SEO so that semantic elements, semantic elements are easy to understand. Like for example, header, easy to understand. The moment Google sees, oh, it's for heading. If I write it footer, oh, easy, it's a footer one. If I see a section, it is one of the section, fine. But if I write everything in div, sir, that is also works. But Google cannot understand which div is for what. Na? So for purposes are easy, so that's why it will make it better SEO. Now their purpose like aside for putting advertisements. Now let me go here. Semantic elements. Most people are having confusion with the semantic elements only. So let me go here. Let me explain. The most widely used semantic elements are this. The most widely used semantic elements are see most widely used are header. Now, now, what is the use of header, sir? Anyone? Not heading. The head of website. Heading बोले तो only H1 or H2. Like on the top, whatever you wanna keep. Or nav. What is the use of nav? Navigation bar. What is the use of section? It is one part. Section बोले तो one part. Simple. Article. If you are writing any post or something, like you are having blog post or something, you will put it in article so that it's easy to understand. Like for example, aside, some kind of sidebars, sidebar, side navigation, side advertisements, something. Footer used for down, whatever the footer page, footer section, or all thing combined. You can call it as main, right or not? Is it clear, sir? Is it clear, ma? Now, Chandan, why I didn't get this your question? Oh yes, okay, yes, okay then. Let's go here. Let's go here. Now let's do a final project. So I am going to do this project so that it will help you to understand the complete HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Now go here. Now let me put it the complete notes, sir. Till now, whatever we did, I will give you the complete notes of HTML now. Like complete one HTML, one PDF. Let me start it here. Something I have. HTML PDF. HTML PDF is there. Now go here. HTML. HTML. Control C. Let's go here. Let's delete it here. Now go to the code. Put it all. Now everyone focus here, ma. Everyone focus here. In your HTML, you have it something one file which is like code. Now inside the code, you have it like inside the code. Till now, whatever we did, every class is inside the code folder only. Inside the code folder only. Now inside the code folder, you are having it like some
This meeting is
and
being
whatever
recorded.
the PDF, like this HTML PDF, contains complete, HTML mark from starting to ending. Complete HTML is in one PDF. So I will put it this all thing into the GitHub so that you can access it. Now let's do one more index.html. index.html. Now someone asked me like how can you do navigation bar and all. I'm gonna do it. Uh, and drive also I will put it. Don't worry. I will put the whole folder in drive. Don't worry with the code. Now go here. Now let's go here. Index.html exclamation enter. Now HTML. Now so in this project, I'm gonna tell you some few important things which can make your website better. Anyway, tomorrow we are gonna start the CSS. So before we started, let's make it some things more better. Like first one, favicon. What is it called? Favicon bole to on top you will see beside the title you will see some icon na. Did you see that one anytime? Now you go to any website, sir. Like for example, you go here this website. On left side you can see Google. If you go to this website, something M is there. If you go to Netflix, something N is there. But is there anything in my website? Only globe is there. So I want to change it. I want to change it. To change this, write it link colon favicon. That is a shortcut for favicon. Link colon favicon. Link colon favicon. Link tag is used for linking. You will do in CSS also linking only. Don't worry. Link favicon. Now after you write it link favicon, href you are having some links, sir. Now go to some kind of site, go to Google, type it here, p favicon, take it p, right click, open image. Now I got the letter p, control C. Now I go here. What did I see? How did I get this? Everyone, one more time. Tell me how did I get that? Link colon favicon. Favicon, favorite icon. Okay. Now go here, enter. Now I remove the href, sir. Href is the link na. So I just removed and I am pasting my link, which I got it from the Google. Then automatically, if you click on go live, it will show my link only. Did you get it, ma? You can put it whatever you want. That is favicon. Next one. Next one. Now inside this, I'm gonna put some anchor tags, sir. Like first, let's put header. Inside the header, I'm gonna put it something like img. I will put some kind of div, which I will use nav tag. Inside the navigation, I will put some anchor tags. Anchor tag, href, anchor tag asterisk, a asterisk 4. A asterisk 4. A asterisk 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we use 2 times navigation in one page? Yes, you can use it. Any times you can use it. There is nothing wrong in it. Now here, I'm gonna write it here. Home, about. Now here, home, about, projects, contact us. Okay. Now I'm just creating a simple one quickly. Now next, after this, what you can do, I can write it here div. Inside this div, I will write it here address, street, something district PR. Now New York, USA. Now, after this, I want to give my email ID, sir. Let me give my email ID. So if you want to give email ID, paragraph, email, colon, anchor tag. Then here I will write it some abc@gmail.com. Okay. And I will show you the power of anchor tag today. First one, I will show you this anchor tag, how much powerful this is. Because someone asked navigation, I'm doing this, sir. Okay. Now contact, here I will give something like some number. Anchor tag is used for something, protocols. People think it like anchor tag uses only link. No, anchor tag uses any protocol. Now HTTP link is for hypertext transfer protocol. Na? Does anyone know any another protocol, sir, except HTTP? SMTP. IP is not protocol. That is internet protocol. Oh, alage. FTP, file transfer protocol. File transfer protocol is like download. Now I will write it here, anchor tag, download. Download resume. Now I will do it one by one, sir. I will make it something download. Now our goal is, let me go here, click. Now see, if I click on home, it should go to home. If I click on about, it should go to about. If I click on projects, it should go to projects. If I click on contact, it should go to contacts. Also, if I click on email, it should go to emails. If I click on contact, it should go to phone calling. If I click on download resume, it should download. Is it clear, ma, the purpose? How do you do that then? Then, very simple. Go here. Let's put it here first. Let me create it some sections, sir. I already created one resume na last time. Did you remember, ma? We created one resume project. Footer. Go here from the main projects resume. Now in the resume, whatever the sections are there inside the main, I will just copy here all the sections. Copy. Now go here. Go here. Paste it. Now all the sections came, sir, here. Now each section, I will give one ID, sir. Let's go here. Each section. Why you need ID, sir? To uniquely identify. Why you need ID? Uniquely identify. Now ID, I will give it something like career. Career. The next, another section. Something like ID. I will write it here something like about. Then I will write something ID down. Here skills, projects, ID, projects. Then go down, contacts, ID, contacts. Footer is nothing but this site belongs to XYZ. Now, again, I'm telling it, what is the difference between section and div? Div is a general block element, section is
This
in
meeting
2.
is being recorded.
What it filled in the 2? tillu@dj.com. This is called SMTP protocol. How did you achieve it? By something called mail to. What is it called? Mail to. Mail to. Now, what if you wanna go telephone? You wanna call. Write it here TEL and call, and you put one number. Put one number. You will see sometimes some websites, sir. You will see sometimes some websites. When you click on one icon, when you click on number, automatically your phone keypad will open and the number will be copied there already. That can be achieved by this. Now, if I open this website in my phone, if I click on this, automatically in my phone it will open that particular call. In system it can't do, but to achieve this, you need to write TEL. What do you have to write? TEL, colon, and you have to write the number. Last but not least, download. Now, if I have any PDF, sir, if I have any PDF, yesterday media, I have some PDF, Control C. Now, go here. Now, already I have HTML PDF now, anyway. So, if I go here, write it here, HTML PDF. Now, if you do this, what will happen? It will not download. It will actually open HTML PDF, right or not? Because you are normally giving it. But at last, give it here, download. That's it. If you give it download, then if you click on this download resume, it will download the resume. Not resume, like whatever you put it there, it will download. Is it clear, ma? These are kind of advanced ones, and I want you to try this all. Okay. And at any point you get it, any more doubts also, we will discuss. An interesting point, understand. HTML katam, we will do something new. No. CSS will have HTML only. CSS is like continuation. Tomorrow also you will do div, you will do H1, you will do paragraphs. Until the end of JavaScript, you will do that. First you learn HTML, then tomorrow onwards HTML plus CSS. Once the JavaScript starts, HTML plus CSS plus JavaScript. It's not nothing new. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear? And the most important thing, tomorrow I will check all of your projects. Till now, how much you did. Okay? And I will ask each one. Chodo, if one day lost also, I don't care. Okay? Online people, be prepared. You also bring more projects, sir. Okay? That's it for today. And you bring your doubts also tomorrow. We'll discuss, sir. Okay? Yeah. Thank you all.